Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today I have a beautiful car. It's a 1966 Corvette Roadster. Got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today?
Good.
Good, nice car.
It's been owned by a friend of mine since 1982. It was a graduation from college gift. Pretty much hasn't done much to it except own it, put gas in it, insure it. It's got a 350 Target Master motor, put it in the 80s.
Which is a crate motor, right?
Yeah, it gets up and goes pretty good. It's an automatic, no power steering.
Mm-hmm.
But a good, solid, good running car. Disc brakes up front. All new exhaust, suspension.
Yeah, the bushings I noticed.
Everything underneath has been gone through and cleaned up, and it looks better on top than it does underneath. It looks better underneath than it does on top.
It's got a white soft top, right?
Got a white soft top.
We also got the auxiliary hardtop. It's a vinyl roof, which is pretty rare.
It's pretty nice car. It's a good driver.
Yeah.
Very respectable.
Bolt-ons. Bumpers look pretty original.
Yeah, they could probably use a trip to the bumper boys for a re-chroming.
Mm-hmm.
But other than that, the car's pretty complete. Little damage in the left front. It's apparent when you look at the left side of the radiator support. But other than that, the car is in pretty good shape all the way around.
Yeah, bonding strip still intact. It's probably just a light little thing.
Well, in those days they didn't keep much records.
No? Yeah.
No. But everything's been gone through. They even rebuilt the headlight motors and everything else.
Yeah.
So all of that stuff has been freshened up about 2 years ago.
Cool.
And all the suspension parts and exhaust and all that was also in the same 2 years ago trip to the shop.
Yeah, guys, check out the website too. It looks great underneath on this car.
Yeah, between the suspension and everything he did underneath and cleaning up all the bad things on the car, my friend Bob spent about $14,000
Oh yeah, I believe
on
it.
this. I've been babysitting it for him for the last 7 years.
Wow.
Well, the house I was describing that he has rented out,
Mm-hmm.
he started renting 7 years ago, and this was in the garage, so it needed a place to hang out.
Yeah.
So I invited him over here.
Nice. It's got to be used, right?
I drive it around once in a while. I prefer to drive my own stuff, though.
Yeah. Well, nice interior. Vinyl. A little light on the options. You got a power antenna. 66,127 miles. AM FM. It's got a Powerglide in it. It's probably the original tranny, huh?
Yeah, actually, I just had that sent over to the local tranny shop
Mm-hmm.
and spent another $1,200 having it not leak anymore on my floor. Can't have it leak.
It's all serviced, ready to roll. I like the Powerglides. They're like slingshots.
You can't hurt those transmissions, that's
can't.
for sure.
No, it's bulletproof.
Well, again, it was leaking, so went to the shop. Now it doesn't leak on my floor.
Good.
And Bob needs some money right now, so he said, put the car in the paper and see what you can do.
Awesome. Points and condenser, or is it digital?
Yes, it does. Yeah,
Cool.
points and condenser.
Awesome.
Old school.
That's great. Love it. So it's a 350, what do you think the horse?
It's probably 300
300
horse. It gets up and goes pretty well. It's got the original distributor in it with the cable drive to the tack.
Oh yeah.
So all the accessories that were removed from the 327 were installed on this engine.
Them on this, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. We fired up. Didn't even get in the car. Bushing, shocks were done, right? The Holly under there, probably 600, right? Electronic choke. Repat. Condenser, all that. Awesome. Go for a quick ride?
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
For a ride.
Yeah, it is.
This is one of those wonder bars that everybody's so crazy about.
Yeah.
I don't know how well they really work in today's world, but it's there.
Good. Clock's right twice a day.
Kill it for something.
Not a squeak, man. Right, so nice.
It's a nice car.
Yeah, it's a great driver. Temperature's perfect.
When you get it running, you drive it around. It runs a little on the high side of center, but it stays there. It'll start back up.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so
Good.
if it was really hot, it wouldn't start back up.
Yeah.
That's how you can tell.
Oh, yeah.
Regardless of what the gauge says, who knows how accurate it truly is.
Water's nice today.
Yeah, it's beautiful out there. Not much wind.
Yeah. It's like glass. Let's go on the boat today?
I hope to go on the boat in a little while.
Oh, nice.
My girlfriend's out of town, so I'm not really sure what I'm doing. That's the richest bay out there.
Cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. We're going to cruise around a little bit, maybe go on the boat. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399.